Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock Cloudflare on Chrome when a website keeps showing a verification or challenge page. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Google Chrome is updated to the latest version, as Cloudflare challenges work best on the current supported browsers. After doing this, the next thing that you need to make sure of is the JavaScript and the cookies are enabled in Chrome. Cloudflare requires both in order to basically complete its security challenges. Now, if the verification keeps looping, you can temporarily disable the ad blocker, any kind of privacy extensions or other type of content blocking extensions that you are using, and then you can just simply click on the option of reload in order to reload that particular page. So these extensions can sometimes prevent Cloudflare's challenge scripts from running correctly. You should also temporarily turn off any kind of VPNs or proxies that you are using, and then you need to try again. If after doing all of these things you are still blocked, then you can just simply open that particular website in the incognito mode. So this is going to help determine whether cached data or an extension is causing the problem. You can also try a different network such as a mobile hotspot, and then you can test the website on another device as well. So that's how you can try these simple fixes in order to unblock Cloudflare on Chrome. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.